They come back and they can plead, but they can't see the light. So boy with the cold hard cash, always Mr. Right. 'Cause we're living in a material world, and I'm a material girl. You know that we were living in a material world, and I am a material girl.